This video will show you how to change a user's privilege and access status. This could be necessary if you have someone change roles or leave your company, or if you have a user who needs additional access to be able to edit information for your company. Start by logging in at library.elearningbrothers.com. Go to the top right-hand corner, click the Login button, and log in with your LinkedIn, Facebook, or email as I'm doing here. Once you're logged in, access your member dashboard by clicking on your name in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This will take you to the Libraries tab of the dashboard, but we'll need to go to the Manage Users tab for this tutorial. To edit a user's access, find the user you want to edit, and click the View/Edit link to the right. If you select the Block User option, it will not allow your user to log into the eLearning Brothers website. On the other hand, if you click the Grant Master Access button, your user will now be able to assign licenses throughout your group and will have access to company payment and subscription information, as well as other administrative privileges. Once you've made the change, you can click the back link to return to the list of users. You can see different icons for blocked users, child users, and master account holders. If you need to unblock a user, follow the same steps. Click the View Edit on the right-hand side of their row and click the Unblock User button. This restores their ability to log into the eLearning Brothers website. Removing master access from a user can't be done from the website. If you need to take away someone's master access, please reach out to eLearning Brothers so we can take care of that for you. Thanks!